This is a 1965 Oldsmobile 442 in beautifully restored condition. This was a total frame off restoration. This is an awesome example. Very well optioned car. Has the 400 engine. Has been totally rebuilt. New total overhaul of the engine back to stock specs. We're talking pistons, cam, all done. Engine is running and sounding awesome. Beautiful, beautiful green over a white interior, black convertible top, which I'll show you as we get later into the video. So coming into the interior, you can see when they painted the car, they had it all apart, no paint or anything on any of the hardware latches, no overspray at all. They had this thing completely taken apart, as well as these rear wheel wells have body color also, and it's just super clean and just beautiful. The whole underbody of the car is painted body color as well. We'll have pictures of that on our website, and the trunk, inside the trunk pan area, is painted body color. Very nice job. So what we have here is we have bucket seats with the console. We have a automatic transmission on the floor. We have a factory tack mounted on the console. We have factory air conditioning with our 134A, works really well. We have a tilt wheel. We have power windows. We have a power convertible top, power steering, and power brakes, of course, as well. Very nice, crisp startup.
My dad's last name, so think
radio works. Oh, and I forgot, we do have a power antenna, which does work. Very slick there. So we're going to turn the AC on. Fan blows nice and strong. Horn. Our wipers. Now we're getting into our power windows here. Passenger side goes up a little slow, but not bad. Driver window very fast. Show you under the hood. You can see when the doors open, our courtesy lighting is lighting up. When the door closes, no light. All right, there you have it. Super detailed engine bay. There's your totally rebuilt 442 engine. It's a powerful engine. This thing runs really, really strong. Just like when these cars were new, they were quick. There is your air conditioning compressor, your power steering, power brakes. Engine sounds really nice and quiet. So when you turn the AC on, you can see our compressor is engaged there. turn it off. It disengages. That's very nice. Close the hood. Alright, moving on to the paint and body. Obviously this is a more recent paint job. It was done in the last few years. Paint is in awesome condition. Fit and finish is really nice. You can see these hood gaps are nice. It's got T3 headlights. Bright work in chrome in nice shape. We got Redline BFG tires. In very good shape. I believe they're newer. Have the date codes on the ad on the website for you. Love these 442, kind of a trim air vent looking piece. Gives it some really nice styling specific to the 442 model. And in 1965, 442 stood for 400, 4-barrel, and dual exhaust. They seem to have changed that every other year or so, what that actually stood for. Very nice sounding exhaust. Get you a close-up sound out of the exhaust pipe. All right, now I'm going to show you the power top operation. Works very, very well. Black top, very nice condition. If you're interested in this frame off restored 1965 442, please scroll down. There's a link in the description. Take you right to our website. There you can find our asking price, you can find our full high resolution photo gallery, including pictures of the undercarriage. You can see those body colored floor pans. It's beautiful under there. And if you have any more questions, don't hesitate. Please give us a call. That's Cars Remember When Thanks for watching.